Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the incredible world of one of the most iconic dinosaurs in history, the Stegosaurus. From its famous backplates and deadly tail spikes to the surprising facts about its tiny brain and ancient habitat, this dinosaur continues to fascinate scientists and dinosaur lovers around the world. But here's an interesting question for you. Do you believe that such a massive dinosaur had a brain only about the size of a walnut? In this video, we'll explore dozens of amazing facts about Stegosaurus, how it lived, what it ate, how it defended itself from predators, and why it remains one of the most recognizable dinosaurs ever discovered. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next documentary. And while you watch, leave a comment below and tell us what you think about Stegosaurus. Let's begin our journey back 150 million years into the Jurassic world. 100 Facts about Stegosaurus full documentary script. Fact 1. Stegosaurus was a plant-eating dinosaur. Mine. Journey with us to the ancient Earth, some 150 million years ago into the heart of the Late Jurassic. Here, amidst sprawling fern prairies and primeval forests, roamed the majestic Stegosaurus, a true titan of its time, yet a gentle giant at its core. This magnificent creature was a dedicated herbivore, its very existence intertwined with the abundant flora of its environment. Understanding Stegosaurus as a plant-eater isn't just a detail. It's a fundamental key that unlocks profound insights into its daily life, its survival strategies, and its intricate interactions within a bustling prehistoric ecosystem. Paleontologists, like detectives of deep time, meticulously analyze fossilized bones, the prints left in ancient mud, and the geological layers that cradle these relics, all to reconstruct the compelling narrative of this truly remarkable animal. When we delve into this singular fact, we aren't merely scratching the surface of a biological characteristic. Instead, we're casting a wide net over the vast tapestry of dinosaur life from millions of years past. Stegosaurus was not an isolated entity, but an integral component of a complex, dynamic world. Its landscape was shared with gargantuan sauropods that stripped leaves from tall trees, swift and dangerous predators that stalked the shadows, and an astonishing diversity of plant species that formed the base of the food web. Every new discovery, whether it's a fossilized tooth or a stomach content impression, enriches our comprehension of how these incredible creatures evolved, how they adapted their very forms and behaviors to thrive in their world, and how they contributed to the intricate balance of life. For the purpose of this documentary, this fact anchors a crucial part of our larger story. It invites viewers to vividly imagine the vibrant prehistoric environment, to grasp the unique challenges Stegosaurus encountered in finding sustenance, and to appreciate the specialized adaptations that cemented its place as one of the most iconic and instantly recognizable dinosaurs in Earth's history. Through the relentless combination of meticulously unearthed fossil evidence, cutting-edge scientific research, and innovative modern imaging technology, researchers continually unearth new revelations about Stegosaurus, adding fresh layers to its already fascinating biography with each passing year. The deeper we plunge into the study of dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, the clearer our understanding becomes of Earth's ancient, transformative past. Each precious fossil discovery acts as a vital clue, unveiling secrets not just about the animal itself, but about the climate it lived in, the ecosystems it shaped and was shaped by, and the grand, unfolding evolution of life on our planet. This seemingly simple fact that Stegosaurus ate plants is in reality just one intricate piece of a much grander, still unfolding puzzle that scientists across the globe continue to painstakingly piece together today. Fact 2. It lived during the Late Jurassic period. Transport your mind back through the eons, precisely to the Late Jurassic period, a golden age for dinosaurs. In this era, roughly 150 million years ago, the Stegosaurus dominated parts of the ancient landscape. It was a time characterized by vast, verdant open plains and towering conifer forests, a world where the slow, deliberate movements of this armored herbivore were a common sight as it foraged for its essential plant diet. Pinpointing Stegosaurus to this specific geological time frame is more than just dating a fossil. It fundamentally helps scientists construct a comprehensive picture of its existence, how it evolved, the specific challenges it faced for survival, and its nuanced interactions within a perfectly preserved moment of Earth's deep history. Paleontologists meticulously examine fossils, scrutinize bone structures, analyze fossilized footprints, and decipher the complex narratives held within geological strata, all to weave together the complete, compelling story of this magnificent animal. Discuss the late Jurassic period is to immerse ourselves in a far grander canvas of prehistoric life. We are exploring a panorama of biodiversity that flourished millions of years ago, a time when life on Earth reached an astonishing scale. Stegosaurus was but one inhabitant of this incredibly intricate ecosystem, a world teeming with colossal long-necked sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, formidable predators such as the terrifying Allosaurus and Ceratosaurus, and an immense variety of plant species that shape the very environment. Every new discovery from this period, from a tiny fern imprint to a sprawling bone bed, propels scientists further in their quest to comprehend how these ancient animals evolved their unique traits and adapted so perfectly to the world they inherited. For a documentary aiming to captivate, this temporal fact becomes a cornerstone of our overarching narrative. It provides a vital anchor, enabling viewers to vividly conceptualize the prehistoric environment, to understand the specific pressures and opportunities Stegosaurus encountered, and to truly appreciate the distinctive features that have made it an enduring symbol of the dinosaur age. By harmonizing robust fossil evidence with rigorous scientific inquiry and advanced technological reconstructions, researchers are continuously unearthing fresh information about Stegosaurus, each year bringing us closer to understanding its complete saga. Our ongoing study of dinosaurs like Stegosaurus deepens our collective understanding of Earth's incredibly rich and ancient past. Every fossil discovery serves as an invaluable clue, shedding light on the prevailing climates of the time, the structure of ancient ecosystems, and the grand, sweeping narrative of life's evolution on our planet. This single fact, placing Stegosaurus firmly in the late Jurassic, is an essential puzzle piece in the monumental endeavor that scientists worldwide continue to meticulously explore and expand upon to this very day. Fact 3. It lived around 155 to 150 million years ago. To truly grasp the scale of Stegosaurus's existence, we must venture back an almost unimaginable stretch of time, approximately 155 to 150 million years ago. This immense temporal distance positions it squarely within the late Jurassic period, a vibrant epoch where life in many forms reached colossal proportions. Vision that ancient world, a landscape where the Stegosaurus, a creature of staggering size and unique form, moved ponderously across vast plains and through dense forests, its sole purpose to find sustenance among the lush vegetation. This precise dating of Stegosaurus is not merely a number, it is a critical scientific marker that allows researchers to precisely understand its ecological niche, its evolutionary journey, and its intricate relationships with the contemporaneous flora and fauna. Paleontologists, employing sophisticated dating techniques, analyze fossils, bones, preserved footprints, and the geological strata in which they are found, meticulously assembling the multifaceted story of this extraordinary animal. When we speak of millions of years ago, we are not just citing a figure, we are invoking a geological timescale that dwarfs human history. This incredible antiquity highlights the Stegosaurus as a profound testament to the endurance and adaptability of life. It existed as part of an incredibly complex and dynamic ecosystem, sharing its world with the colossal plant-eating sauropods, fierce predatory dinosaurs, and a stunning array of distinct plant species that form the bedrock of its diet. Each new discovery and refinement in dating methods allows scientists to enhance their understanding of how these ancient creatures evolved, how they navigated the challenges of their environment, and how they ultimately adapted to thrive across such a vast expanse of time. For an engaging documentary, establishing this timeline is paramount to constructing a compelling narrative. It provides viewers with a concrete sense of the immense geological time frame, offering a perspective on the Stegosaurus's place in Earth's deep history. It allows us to appreciate the longevity of its lineage and the unique evolutionary pressures it faced. By integrating the latest fossil evidence with advanced radiometric dating techniques and modern technological simulations, researchers consistently uncover fresh insights into Stegosaurus each year, bringing its ancient world closer to our present understanding. The more precisely we date and study dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, the more profound our understanding becomes of Earth's ancient past, a past that is constantly being revealed. Every fossil discovery, meticulously dated, provides invaluable clues not just about the organism itself, but about the climate prevailing during its lifetime, the intricacies of its ecosystems, and the grand, slow-motion ballet of life's evolution across our planet. This single, precise temporal fact is just one crucial piece within the much grander, still unfolding puzzle that scientists around the world continue to diligently explore and piece together today. Fact 4. Fossils have been found in North America. Our journey into the world of Stegosaurus brings us to a specific geographical context. Its fossil remains have been predominantly unearthed across North America. Imagine the late Jurassic landscape of what is now the American West, a vast, ancient expanse where the magnificent Stegosaurus lumbered across open plains and through towering conifer forests, constantly foraging for its herbaceous diet. This geographical distribution is far from trivial. It is a crucial piece of the puzzle that helps scientists reconstruct where this dinosaur lived, the specific environmental conditions it adapted to, and how it interacted with other species within its ancient homeland. Paleontologists painstakingly study fossils, bones, the trails left by its powerful legs, and the sedimentary layers of specific rock formations to meticulously piece together the vibrant story of this remarkable animal. When we consider the localities of these fossil finds, we're not just mapping points on a modern globe. We are unveiling a much larger picture of ancient continental configurations and the thriving dinosaur life that once populated them millions of years ago. The Stegosaurus was a dominant figure in what is now known as the Morrison Formation, a geological treasure trove spanning states like Colorado, Wyoming, Utah, and Montana. This region was home to a complex ecosystem, bustling with massive long-necked sauropods, formidable predators like Allosaurus, and a rich diversity of plant life that formed the base of the food chain. Each fossil discovery within these North American beds helps scientists to not only understand the evolution and adaptation of Stegosaurus, but also to chart the distribution patterns of ancient life across a supercontinent. For a documentary, this geographical fact serves as a powerful anchor for our narrative. It allows viewers to connect this ancient creature to a tangible, recognizable landmass, fostering a deeper sense of scale and history. It helps to envision the specific prehistoric environment Stegosaurus inhabited, the unique challenges it faced in a particular region, and how its distinctive features made it a prominent figure in the North American Jurassic fauna. By combining detailed fossil evidence from these specific locations with advanced scientific research and cutting-edge geospatial technology, researchers continue to learn new and fascinating information about Stegosaurus every year. The more thoroughly we investigate dinosaurs like Stegosaurus and pinpoint their ancient habitats, the more completely we comprehend Earth's profound geological and biological past. Every fossil discovery, specifically located, offers invaluable clues about the ancient climate of North America, the intricate ecosystems that once thrived there, and the grand narrative of life's evolution on our planet. This single geographical fact is but one vital piece of a much larger interconnected puzzle that scientists globally continue to meticulously explore and expand upon today. Fact 5. It was first discovered in 1877. Our historical journey into the world of Stegosaurus brings us to a pivotal moment in paleontological history. Its initial discovery in the year 1877, this particular year marks a fascinating chapter, unfolding during a period often referred to as the Bone Wars, an intense, almost legendary rivalry between two pioneering paleontologists in the American West. Imagine the excitement and scientific fervor of that era, as the late Jurassic world, once hidden beneath layers of rock, began to slowly reveal its incredible inhabitants. This crucial date helps scientists contextualize the early understanding of Stegosaurus, tracing how initial interpretations evolved as more fossils came to light, and how this dinosaur's story gradually integrated into the broader tapestry of life on Earth. Paleontologists, both then and now, meticulously study fossils, analyze bone structures, reconstruct ancient footprints, and interpret geological layers to fully piece together the compelling narrative of this remarkable animal. When we pinpoint this discovery date, we are not merely stating a historical fact. We are diving into the burgeoning field of paleontology during a time of immense scientific revolution. The Stegosaurus, once an unknown entity, emerged into a world already grappling with the implications of evolution and the sheer scale of geological time. Its discovery contributed to a rapidly expanding understanding of Earth's complex past, revealing an ecosystem filled with massive sauropods, dangerous predators, and a rich diversity of plant species, all dating back millions of years. Subsequent discovery and reevaluation of the 1877 finds has further deepened scientists' comprehension of how these animals evolved and adapted to their ancient world. For a compelling YouTube documentary, this historical fact anchors a significant part of our narrative, introducing a human element into the scientific journey. It allows viewers to connect with the pioneering spirit of early paleontologists, to appreciate the initial challenges in understanding such a unique creature, and to recognize how Stegosaurus quickly became one of the most recognizable dinosaurs in history. By combining these early fossil finds with subsequent scientific research and modern technological analyses, researchers continue to learn new and profound information about Stegosaurus every single year. The more we explore the history of discovery for dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, the richer our understanding becomes of Earth's ancient past and the scientific processes that unveil it. Every fossil, especially those first unearthed, reveals vital clues about ancient climates, the structure of prehistoric ecosystems, and the grand interwoven evolution of life on our planet. This single historical fact is just one illuminating piece of a much larger, continually evolving puzzle that scientists worldwide continue to explore and expand upon today. Fact 6. It was named by Othniel Charles Marsh. The indelible name Stegosaurus was bestowed upon this magnificent creature by one of the towering figures of 19th-century American paleontology, Othniel Charles Marsh. This fact plunges us deeper into the scientific drama of the Late Jurassic revelations. Marsh, a central figure in the aforementioned Bone Wars, meticulously examined the initial fossil fragments unearthed in 1877. It was through his keen eye and extensive knowledge that this unique dinosaur was first scientifically classified and given its iconic moniker. Marsh's role in naming Stegosaurus is integral to understanding how scientists initially categorized and interpreted this dinosaur's unique features, thereby shaping our foundational understanding of its life, survival, and interactions within its ancient habitat. Paleontologists, building upon Marsh's pioneering work, continue to study fossils, bones, footprints, and geological layers to piece together the comprehensive story of this remarkable animal. When we acknowledge Marsh's contribution, we are not just crediting an individual, we are recognizing a pivotal moment in the history of paleontology itself. Marsh was instrumental in describing numerous new dinosaur species during a period of intense discovery, fundamentally expanding our knowledge of prehistoric life. The Stegosaurus, once a nameless enigma, was given an identity that immediately hinted at its most striking characteristic. Its place within the complex Jurassic ecosystem, alongside immense sauropods, formidable predators, and diverse plant species, was gradually clarified through Marsh's systematic approach to classification. Each subsequent discovery and reevaluation has built upon his initial insights, helping scientists to better understand how these animals evolved and adapted to their world. For a captivating YouTube documentary, this fact adds a layer of human endeavor and scientific legacy to our narrative. It allows viewers to appreciate the intellectual rigor and vision of early paleontologists like Marsh, and how their foundational work laid the groundwork for all future discoveries. It connects the Stegosaurus not just to an ancient past, but also to the very process of scientific discovery that continues to bring that past to life. By combining Marsh's historical descriptions with modern fossil evidence, advanced scientific research, and cutting-edge technology, researchers consistently gain new insights into Stegosaurus every year. The more we delve into the history of paleontology and the contributions of figures like Othniel Charles Marsh, the more profound our understanding becomes of Earth's ancient past and the scientific journey to unlock its secrets. Every fossil discovery, and indeed every name given to a species, reveals clues about ancient climates, the intricacies of prehistoric ecosystems, and the grand, sweeping evolution of life on our planet. This single fact, crediting marsh with its naming, is an essential thread in the much larger, interconnected puzzle that scientists worldwide continue to explore and expand upon today. Fact 7. The name means roof lizard. Delving deeper into the origins of Stegosaurus, we uncover a fascinating linguistic insight. Its scientific name, derived from ancient Greek, literally translates to roof lizard. This name was coined by Othniel Charles Marsh, who, upon examining the initial fossil discoveries in 1877, was immediately struck by the animal's most distinctive feature, the colossal plate-like structures running down its back. He initially hypothesized these plates lay flat, overlapping like roof tiles, offering a protective bony covering. This etymological detail is more than just a translation. It offers a direct window into the early scientific interpretations of Stegosaurus, shaping initial hypotheses about its lifestyle, defensive mechanisms, and interaction with its environment. Paleontologists continue to analyze fossils, bones, footprints, and geological layers, building upon these initial insights to construct an ever more accurate story of this remarkable animal. When we explore the meaning behind the name, we are not only delving into a linguistic detail, but also examining the very process of scientific nomenclature and the sometimes evolving understanding of prehistoric creatures. Roof lizard concept, while later refined, as we'll discuss with the plate's actual arrangement, beautifully illustrates how early paleontologists struggled to conceptualize an animal unlike any seen before. Stegosaurus was, after all, a key player in a complex Jurassic ecosystem, sharing its world with massive sauropods, dangerous predators, and a rich diversity of plant species. The name itself reflects a critical early attempt to define its most striking adaptation. Each new discovery and reevaluation of its skeletal structure has allowed scientists to refine their understanding, moving beyond Marsh's initial roof-like arrangement to a more accurate depiction. For a compelling YouTube documentary, the etymology of Stegosaurus provides an engaging hook. It helps viewers appreciate the thought process behind scientific naming and the initial challenges in interpreting fossil evidence. It also sets the stage for discussing the true function and arrangement of its iconic plates, which made it one of the most recognizable dinosaurs in history. By tracing the historical derivation of its name and combining it with modern fossil evidence, cutting-edge scientific research, and advanced technological reconstructions, researchers consistently glean new insights into Stegosaurus every year. The more we investigate the origins of dinosaur names like Stegosaurus, the more profound our understanding becomes of Earth's ancient past and the history of its scientific exploration. Every fossil discovery, paired with its assigned name, reveals clues about ancient climates, the intricate ecosystems of the past, and the grand, sweeping evolution of life on our planet. This single linguistic fact is just one fascinating piece of a much larger, continually unfolding puzzle that scientists worldwide continue to explore and expand upon today. Fact 8. It had large plates on its back. Beyond its roof lizard moniker, the most striking and immediately identifiable feature of Stegosaurus was undoubtedly the series of large, distinctive plates adorning its back. Imagine this magnificent creature slowly lumbering across the late Jurassic landscape, these bony structures rising prominently along its spine, a truly unique silhouette against the ancient horizon. These plates, known scientifically as osteoderms or scutes, are not merely aesthetic. They are central to unlocking the secrets of how Stegosaurus lived, defended itself, and interacted with its environment. Paleontologists meticulously study the size, shape, and structure of these plates, alongside bones, footprints, and geological layers, to piece together the complete, compelling story of this remarkable animal. We talk about these plates, we are not just describing a physical attribute, we are delving into a fascinating evolutionary adaptation that defines Stegosaurus. The plates each dysphoric, they help by the more picture the late Jurassic world and envision a Stegosaurus moving with ponderous grace, its back adorned with these striking, almost sail-like triangles of bone, arranged rhythmically along its spine. This precise triangular form is not arbitrary. It's a critical detail that fuels scientific hypotheses about the plate's function. whether for defense, display, or temperature regulation. This specific shape helps scientists visualize how Stegosaurus presented itself, how it might have defended against attackers, and how it might have interacted with its environment and even other Stegosauruses. Paleontologists meticulously study the exact geometry, size variations, and attachment points of these fossilized plates to piece together the comprehensive story of this remarkable animal. When we emphasize their triangular shape, we are moving beyond a general description to a specific anatomical detail that informs our understanding of an entire ancient ecosystem. These triangular plates were a defining characteristic within a complex world inhabited by massive sauropods, dangerous predators, and diverse plant species. The triangularity would have maximized surface area, potentially aiding in thermoregulation, or presented a formidable, jagged profile to deter aggressors. Each new fossil discovery, particularly those with well-preserved articulated plates, provides vital clues, helping scientists to better understand how these animals evolved this specific adaptation and how it contributed to their survival in their ancient world. For a captivating YouTube documentary, the triangular shape of the plates is a visually compelling element of our narrative. It allows viewers to precisely imagine the unique prehistoric appearance of Stegosaurus, to ponder the specific challenges it faced, and to appreciate how this distinctive feature contributed to its becoming one of the most recognizable dinosaurs in history. By combining detailed fossil evidence of these specific shapes with rigorous scientific research and modern technological modeling, researchers continue to learn new and fascinating information about Stegosaurus every year. The more closely we examine the specific anatomical details of dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, the richer our understanding becomes of Earth's ancient past. Every fossil discovery, especially those preserving such intricate forms, offers invaluable clues about ancient climates, the mechanics of prehistoric ecosystems, and the grand, sweeping evolution of life on our planet. This single fact about the triangular shape of its plates is just one intricate piece of a much larger, continually unfolding puzzle that scientists worldwide continue to explore and expand upon today. Fact 10. The plates may have helped regulate temperature. One of the most compelling scientific hypotheses regarding Stegosaurus's distinctive plates centers on their potential role in thermoregulation or temperature control. Imagine the late Jurassic world, a dynamic environment where this magnificent dinosaur would have been exposed to varying temperatures. The large triangular plates on its back, with their potentially extensive network of blood vessels, could have acted like biological solar panels or radiators, absorbing heat from the sun or dissipating excess heat into the air. This theory offers profound insights into how Stegosaurus managed its internal temperature, a critical aspect of its survival and interaction with its environment. Paleontologists study the internal structure of the plates, the presence of vascular channels, and comparisons with modern animals to piece together this aspect of the remarkable animal story. When we consider the thermoregulation hypothesis, we are exploring a sophisticated physiological adaptation within a complex ancient ecosystem. Stegosaurus shared its world with massive sauropods, dangerous predators, and diverse plant species, all of whom had their own strategies for coping with the Jurassic climate. If the plates were indeed involved in temperature regulation, it would mean Stegosaurus possessed an advanced biological mechanism, similar in principle to the large ears of elephants that help cool their bodies. This hypothesis helps scientists to better understand the physiological capabilities of these animals and how they evolved and adapted to the climatic conditions of their world. For a captivating YouTube documentary, this scientific hypothesis adds an intellectual dimension to our narrative. It encourages viewers to think critically about the function of unique anatomical features, inviting them to imagine the Stegosaurus not just as an imposing figure, but as a creature ingeniously adapted to its environment. This concept further solidifies its place as one of the most remarkable and recognizable dinosaurs in history. By combining fossil evidence hinting at vascularization within the plates with biomechanical modeling and current scientific research, researchers continue to learn new and profound information about Stegosaurus every year. The more we investigate the potential functions of features like the Stegosaurus's plates, the deeper our understanding.